Yeah, even with this thing.
That's what I was saying. You're not going to get it on the Gulf side unless you got a storm like this. We are looking right now at a live look in Tampa Bay, and they're preparing for the arrival of Elsa, which is just to our south and west. The winds should begin picking up there. They already have, and they're going to continue to increase as the storm gets a little bit closer overnight tonight. You can see where the circulation center, the low-level center now, or at least the mid-level center, the low-level center is displaced just a little bit to the west. So this is actually still a sheared storm, and we did see that the mid-level center was just a little bit to the east. But either way you look at it, this is where the storm is now. It is lifting north of our area at the present time. But in its wake, there's this band of heavy rainfall that continues down I-75 from Manatee and Sarasota County all the way down into Charlotte County. That's where we're seeing some of the heavier downpours now through Charlotte County, through Inglewood, out towards Rotunda. Looks like Cayo Costa, also Boca Grande, seeing some decent rain. This extends southward into Lee County. Zoom in a little bit closer here to Fort Myers, and we're tracking some pretty decent rain right along Colonial, right along 82, and then heading up towards North Fort Myers, some heavier rain across the river there. Gateway seeing some pretty decent downpours. Also portions of South Lee County getting out of the rain now, but we expect more to come in here in the next couple of hours. And down into Collier County. Had some pretty big storms in and around Naples, Marco Island, North Naples. That is what's now lifting off towards the north. And some rain also down 29 and 951. As of the 8 o'clock advisory, the winds are up to 75. Pressure was down to 996, so it regained hurricane status. We're expecting this thing to make landfall sometime during the first part of your Wednesday, and then it is going to quickly accelerate off towards the north and east. The tropical storm force wind field continues to pull away from the area, so we're still going to have these gusts upwards of 40 miles an hour. That's pretty much all we've seen are wind gusts near the coast, 40 to 45 miles per hour, some gusts close to 50, and that should gradually lift northward with the storm as it tracks towards the Nature Coast late tonight and into tomorrow. Wind speeds now, southeast at about 10 to 15, some occasional gusts over 30, close to 40 miles per hour. So that's kind of what we've been seeing. So for the rest of tonight, I do expect conditions to gradually improve. Winds are still going to be around there, but going to be shifting more out of the west, and we're going to see chances for showers and storms to continue overnight tonight as we have some moisture that's kind of on the back end of this thing. You see all that moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico? That is what's going to continue streaming into our area here for tomorrow. There's Elsa there, beginning to lift north of our region. And as it moves farther away, we'll have less of an influence. That big maroon parallelogram there is a tornado watch that's been in effect throughout the afternoon. It goes until 11 o'clock. We'll see if the Storm Prediction Center does extend part of that tornado watch into the early morning hours on your Wednesday. So your forecast calls for that streamer of moisture to continue hanging around the area throughout the morning hours tomorrow. So expect chances for rain to continue for parts of southwest Florida throughout the morning. And then during the afternoon, we'll see a few more showers and storms with that southwesterly flow. But by the time we head towards Wednesday, we get back to a summertime weather pattern with an easterly flow and afternoon and evening showers and storms. So kind of getting back to normal with temperatures back into the lower 90s. So continued breezy tonight, rain likely. Winds becoming southwesterly late tonight and continuing into the day tomorrow, 10 to 20 miles an hour. With a high of 89 degrees, we'll see some scattered showers and storms around. Here's a look at your Ingram marine forecast. Inland water is still rough, scattered storms around. Seas running about 6 to 8 feet. Should gradually start to calm down a bit here during the afternoon. So here's your 7-day forecast. Scattered storm chances tomorrow, 89, then back up to 92 with more sunshine for Thursday, Friday. 93 for the upcoming weekend with scattered afternoon showers and storms. So kind of the return to the land of monotony here after we've had kind of an exciting Tuesday with Elsa bypassing our area, kind of back to normal with more scattered afternoon storms through the weekend.
Speaking of monotony,